Hello, good morning, my students of class 5th. Uh, Students, listen. We all are waiting for school, and soon it will be start. It will be get start, uh, and we have been reached now at that step where we are successful. We are successful people to fight with corona, right? And in the present situation, we are all together, right? So we have been got success. That is our one extra point here. We cooperate each other, we cooperate to society, and we cooperate to country. So we have been got success. Otherwise it couldn't happen. But how it was happen, that have to study. When we get success, we have to do hard work, and when there is lot of work spread in our society, in our country, we have to come all together. Then we get success. Today I am going to teach you same lesson, or I am going to tell you one story about that. The lesson number 7 in our value education subject, power of one, making a difference. Now you will be say that, teacher, you are telling that we have to come all together, and the name of the lesson is power of one. How is that? So how the unity is coming for work, and how it started? Unity is necessary. We have to come all together, but how we will come all together? How it is? So this lesson will tell us how we will come together. That is the power of one. Now listen, then you can understand. Lesson number 7, power of one, making a difference. Road ahead, many times we complain about the society, the people around us, and other social problems, but we do nothing to solve these problems. We think that alone we cannot make a difference. The society as a whole should change. This is true, but when each one of us starts making a small difference, we collectively make a big difference and bring about a change. On one day, a man was walking down a quiet and deserted Mexican beach at sunset. As he walked along, he began to see another man in the distance. As he grew nearer, he noticed that the local native kept leaning down, picking something up and throwing it out into the water. Time and again, he kept hurling things out into the sea. As the man approached even closer, he noticed that the native man was picking up a starfish that had been washed away by the waves. One at a time, he was throwing them back into the water. The man was puzzled to see this. He approached the native man and said, "Good evening, friend. I was wondering, what are you doing?" The local native smiled and said, "I am throwing this starfish back into the sea. You see, it is low tide right now, and all these starfish have been washed up onto the shore. If I don't throw them back into the sea, they will die here from lack of oxygen." "I understand," the man replied, "but there must be thousands of starfish on this beach. You cannot possibly throw all of them back. There are simply too many, and don't you realize this is happening on hundreds of beaches all up and down this coast? Can't you see that you cannot possibly make a difference? The local native again smiled, bent down and picked up it another starfish, and as he threw it back into the sea, he replied, I made a difference to that one. Most of us act like the man in this story who is puzzled to see the local native throwing starfish back in the sea. We believe that either we are too young, too old, too weak, or too insignificant to make a difference in our surroundings. But in reality, if each one of us contributes by making a small difference, we can end up making a big positive change in the world, in this world. It doesn't matter if it's your family, community, or country, it is always important to make a difference. Reflections of the story are here. We should not leave things undone, thinking that our small efforts will not bring about the necessary change. When we all do our bit and contribute by making small efforts, it changes into a big effort. This big effort can bring about the necessary change. There are some hard words making a simple meanings are there. Deserted. Deserted is equal to left, alone, or abandoned. Number two, native means a person born in a specified place. Number three is hurling, throwing with great force. Number four is low tide, falling of the sea waves due to attraction of the moon. And coast means part of land near the sea. Now there is simple thing was that there was some simple thing. A man was throwing the starfish in the sea and he was alone. So that one person told him that who has been observed that how much you can do alone. Why are you doing this? You cannot do this alone. There are so many people are required to throw all the starfishes inside the sea. But that man showed him that he has been thrown one starfish inside the sea. So he went up. That starfish has been went up in the sea. So this is one he has been made less on the beach. And like that, he has been thrown so many. So he told that there were some, suppose there were 5,000 starfishes were, and man got thrown, uh, success to throw 100 starfishes in the sea. So 100 have been saved. 100 have been saved their life. So this is the difference. This is the difference he has made, and this is difference in society we have to make. If we will do one, then we will get 1 mark. One person will be do, then one problem will be get less. And if other will be copied him, then other will be copy him, then other will be get success also. So you have to start from you, start by you. If one family will give respect to their daughter, then other families will give respect to their daughters. So it will be increased one by one, one by one, one by one. You know that there is sea. Sea is big. Sea is big or not? A big portion of water covered by the sea. But how it happens? How the big water collected by one drop? By one drop, it gets big. So like that, if you will be do work by from your home by yourself, then other will be also do that work, and that will be increase the number of people will be do the same work. So we have to do work first ourselves, and we have to start first, and if we will start, then other will be start, and it will be become as a power of one, and also unity of the one. Okay, so this was the lesson, and there are some fill in the blanks are there. The man was walking down a quiet and deserted. You have to arrange that alphabets in correct spelling. So can you try? You try yourself, you can do, otherwise I will guide you, because there are you have to make spellings there only. And question and answers are there. What was the local native throwing into the sea? Local native was throwing starfishes into the sea. Next question is, why was the local native throwing the starfish one by one into the sea? Knowing well that he could not throw all the starfish back in the water, because he knows and believes that when each one of us starts making a small difference, we collectively make a big difference and bring about a change. When each of us contribute by making small effort, it changes into a big effort which can bring about the necessary change. Can't you see that you cannot possibly make a difference? The man said this to the local native who was throwing starfish back into the sea. Why do you think he said this? What does this reflect about the man? The man said that because he thought that all people have to contribute, a lonely person cannot do that change, but man was reflected and shown that if each one of so if one of start making a difference will get, then there are I can make a difference. You have to answer these questions. One example I'm giving you, by keeping my environment green and clean. So you cannot, you have to tick there. Okay, and we will get together one day when the school will start, and we will do some work. When we will come together, there are so many works other, planting saplings in a school compound or a nearby park, raking dry leaves in or near the school compound. We will do something from this work. Okay, gathering clothes from neighborhood and donating it to a local shelter. We are always doing this. Organizing a senior citizen campaign, teaching them the use of computer and internet so that they can connect with their children living far away. Making eye care kits with combs, toothbrush, soap, and basic first aid for the homeless. After successful implementation of above ideas at the class level, you can recommend the above activity to be taken up by your school. Now, if you will collect one pencil, one eraser, one sharpener, one student will give pencil, one student will be give sharpener, one student will be give notebook, then one set will be collect, and it can be useful for the poor people, poor students, right? So we will do some work when our school will be get start. Then have a nice day. Find out the fill in the blanks, read the lesson loudly, two time, two time loudly, and find out that fill in the blanks, and bracket on the lesson where are that sentence available. Then question and answer I haven't told you already. You have to find out that again and check that. Then